Hello guys, I will show you how to fix your power button for all devices. It's easy. This is the power button and this is the volume. This circuit is from the Samsung Galaxy tablet. Now we will fix it, the power button, because it's damaged. The metal is not pushing anymore and you cannot feel the crunchiness of the metal when you pushing it. The volume button is working fine and you feel the crunchy of the metal plate. Just remove the plastic. After removing the plastic, there is a metal here. Just grab it. See the metal? This is the metal. This is all we need. After removing this, put this to your circuit in the center. After putting it in the center, just push it, and if you feel the crunchiness of the metal, it's fine. It's will working. Just simple. Don't spend so much money for repairing it. It's just so simple things to do. And that's working. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Help me to grow my channel. Thanks.